If equipped, blind spot monitoring, or BSM, uses sensors located inside the taillights to let you know when other drivers enter your blind spot zones from the rear, front, or side. When you start the engine, the BSM warning light will shine in both outside mirrors to confirm activation. The BSM detection zone covers about one lane on either side of you. The zone starts at each outside mirror and extends back toward the rear. The system activates when your speed reaches about 6 miles per hour or 10 kilometers per hour. If an object enters the blind spot zone from either side of the vehicle, the BSM light will appear in the corresponding outside mirrors. A warning will also be issued if a driver comes up from behind and enters the rear detection zone, or if you use your turn signal in a direction and the system senses another driver in that detection zone. If the difference in speed between you and the other driver is greater than 15 miles per hour or 24 kilometers per hour, a warning will not be issued. With the Trailer Merge Assist feature, you can also extend the blind spot zone to work while pulling a trailer. The zone can extend to up to 39.5 feet or 12 meters in length and 8.5 feet or 2.59 meters in width. To ensure system function, always keep the taillights clear of dirt, snow, and other debris. Do not block the area with foreign objects. Please keep in mind, your touchscreen may call this feature Blind Spot Alert. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.